Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get a police car today on sandbox, okay? First, go to editor and then press create new. Then then get a then get what get what get what block you want, like this ice cube, and then press select texture and press load. Then find your screenshot you have, then press and then press oh shot, I forgot. Another loop. I forgot to press select. Okay, now you've gotta set properties, and then you know how to stretch them, right? You know how to stretch them well, so press save, then go to a map, then pause. Oh no, not this. First go to here and then press this. Bro, what's this? And then make the size like this. And then go to one. Wait, I'm gonna sneeze. Then you're gonna get a wheel and then make it big and then put it here. And then choose this and tap on the thing. You must go to here. Meeny, miny, meeny, moo. And now you have to disable collisions. And then now you're done. Now you have to save it.